Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you the $100 a day side hustle idea for making money online. After watching this video, you should know how to make money online or offline or both from a side hustle. If you are interested in $100 a day side hustle idea, these 5 are for you. In case this is your first time here, my name is Robert Kempster with Debt Free Lifestyles, and I'm happy you're here. If you're interested in making money online, building an online business, paying off your debts or avoiding debts, better credit, and building a better life, this channel is for you. And you should be sure to subscribe below, so you will receive notice of new videos for more valuable content. Also, be sure to leave any comments or questions below. I love to hear your questions. I've said it many times, almost as much as getting you answers to your questions. If you like the content I'm sharing with you in this video, be sure to hit the like button below. It supports the channel and it inspires my team and myself to bring you greater content and value. That said, please read the disclaimer in the description below. It helps you to have a healthy expectation, and it helps the channel content to stay honest. Having a side hustle is highly beneficial to you. For starters, you get to earn extra cash which can be used to settle debts, pay bills, travel, or even shop for additional stuff for your home. Side hustles have no limits, which means you can earn as much as you want, when you want, as time permits, of course. The key is to find a side hustle that fits with your skill set, and before you know it, you'll be on your way to making a 6-figure income. Here, today, are 100 a day side hustle idea. 5 to be exact, make money ideas that will ensure your financial freedom. Number 1, drive with Uber or deliver with UberEats. And in the back you can see I've opened it up. It's the Uber website. You can ride, you can drive for them. You choose what your interaction with them is. You sign up. If you drive for them, you make money. If you can also deliver food. But as an economy sector disrupting company, Uber has provided a means for car owners to make money online. Well, through a portal, through their app. It's still kind of related to the online world. In a mission to replace the old school taxi system, the company is present in over 80 countries around the world and over 675 cities worldwide, which means it doesn't matter where you are, you can work for Uber. That's the power of the internet. That's the online world connecting everybody, people and businesses together. Now, Uber has helped drivers fulfill more than 40 million rides in a month, and today it has a market share of almost 75% in the US and other countries in the world. As a car owner, you can earn extra cash by driving for Uber. This is very advantageous, especially if your job is not too demanding. You can transport passengers from one location to another, making more than $100 a day with this side hustle. After all, this is what this video promised to deliver: $100 a day side hustle. And each one of these have been proven to make as much as that or more. So watch out. Alternatively, you can deliver food for UberEats, especially if you commute to work on a traditional bicycle, a scooter, or an electric bike or motorbike. As a result, you will earn more than $100 by the time your shift ends. This link should take you to Uber. You'll see the link in the description. I'll post it right there. Although you don't need the link, you could Google Uber yourself and sign up. But if you do, there's something there. Number 2, you can start a podcast. The number of people listening to podcasts in the US is about 44% of the population. Out of the 44%, 49% are listening to podcasts in the comfort of their home, while 22% are listening while they are driving. Experts have categorized podcast listeners as loyal, affluent, and educated. Podcasts, just like YouTube videos, can earn you money, especially if you curate episodes that are informative, entertaining, relevant, and trendy. So, how do you get started with podcasting? Many people believe that you need expensive equipment to start creating podcasts, but that is not true. What they don't know is that it only takes a couple of bucks to get started. Popular podcasters have agreed that the following items are suitable for beginners. Headphones. I have one listed below. You can see it in the description when you go down. I put a link there in case you want to follow that link. It's available on Amazon. It's very cost effective if you don't want to use the word cheap. Okay? So, check out those links. There's one for headphones and another one for microphone. In case you don't have any or you want to get into it, that would be good for you. Now, to edit your audio, you can also use free software like Audacity. Audacity is actually, let me show you. This is on the background you can see now is the podcast website. It's called Podomatic. If you go to Podomatic, you can sign up for an account. As you can see, you can either sign up with Facebook or you can sign up with your email, which means you use email and password, or you can use Facebook. You click on this, it takes you to that app that allows you to sign up with your Facebook account. So you have that option. But for editing, you can use Audacity at audacity.com, and that you can use. It's a free software to edit your audio. And then once you record your first episode, you can promote it on Podomatic, which is what I just showed you here. Before you know it, you'll be on your way to earning a decent income. Again, it is quite common to make over $100 a day as a podcaster, but everything is based on your effort. Everything is based on your performance. Everything is based on how people react to the material that you are dishing out. Now, number 3, you can flip and sell items on, wait for these, good old faithful eBay. eBay is not dead. eBay is still alive. People are still making money from eBay every day. You ever heard of the adage, one man's trash is another man's treasure? There's nowhere it's more true on the planet than eBay. Well, it is very true, especially when it comes to flipping items and selling them on auction sites like eBay. To get started, you must find a source that will ensure you have a constant supply of items to flip. There are 3 sources, namely garage sales, flea markets, and Craigslist. But that's not all. You can also resell stuff that comes from the store. This happens a lot, but you'd have to do some research, or maybe I'll do another video for that. So be sure to subscribe, as I said earlier. Well, there are 3 sources, as I said: the flea markets, garage sales, Craigslist, but there are also the stores, certain discount stores. You can buy stuff there that you can resell on eBay. The whole point is, at garage sales and flea markets, you can buy these items cheaply and then flip them on eBay for a few couple dollars more. But that is also true with some of the discount stores. So you can buy classic video games, computers, guitars, other musical instruments, plus antiques, and resell them on eBay. This is the same with Craigslist, where you can use this site to find items that are considered trash by somebody else, but treasured by others. And before you know it, you have several items to flip on eBay, finally making more than $100 a day. You can learn more about buying and flipping items on eBay. You can see in the background here, all you have to do is sign up. And you're on your way to $100 a day side hustle. And that's just one. Number 4, you can teach English and other languages and actually other topics online. Do you have a bachelor's degree and teaching experience? Well, why not earn extra cash while you're working at your regular daily job? There are several websites where you can use your skills to impact new knowledge in young minds. One of those websites is teachable.com. Here, you can create your own website and offer online coursework to students in many fields, not just one, in many fields. It doesn't have to be English only. For teachable.com, you could set up anything from flying drones. You could set up a course on flying drones. I mean, come on. So whatever you can think of, you can set up a course to teach it. You set up the fees, you charge, you design your own website on their site for free, and you're on your way to making money. Of course, they have a commission structure, and they will get a cut, but for the most part, it's hands-on. You make your money, you dictate what you're going to teach, you set your price, and people sign up all over the world, and there goes money into your account. Actually, this could net you well over $100 a day. Depends on time and how effective your marketing is, but I also know that the site itself does help you to market. And another website you should try out is VIP Kid. I think I mentioned this one somewhere else before in a video, but it's okay because this is not the primary one for this particular number 4. It's a subsidiary, so you can also teach English, as I've said before. You don't have to create your own curriculum because VIP Kid, for this one, VIP Kid has already designed materials for your students. But as a teacher, you're required to review class materials 6 to 12 hours in advance. By choosing to teach English, you will earn on that particular site between $22 per hour to $100 per hour. Well, actually, that site is about $22 an hour. But if you set up your site and you set up your own site, you can charge up to $100 an hour. I just wanted to correct that part of it. Yeah, okay, that is number 4. Now, on to number 5. Number 5, you list your extra room on now becoming famous Airbnb. Travelers are always in search of affordable accommodation as they travel from one city to another or country to another. Unlike hotels, rooms listed on Airbnb offer better incentives without the extra cost. You know, for instance, the owner of the house may decide to share his or her meals with you. That's another benefit, probably at a discount or even for nothing. Since most homes have laundry machines, you can do your laundry during your free time, thus maintaining high standards of hygiene, keeping down your cost, and taking less risk because you don't have to end up on the street or not throwing money away to the hotels as you would have to do if you were staying in one to get your dry cleaning done. Other incentives you can enjoy may include improved security because 1, you are not in a tourist center, you're not in a hotel, it's not a public place. You don't stand out right away as a traveler. and that's what that is. Now, to become a host, you need to create your portfolio on Airbnb. Make sure the details are true. Take a few photos of the room in the best light to attract more customers to your house. What I said before was all the selling points to the people that will be renting a room from you. But once you have published the images, it takes about 6 hours for your post to appear in the search results on the Airbnb website. And then once that happens, you set up price. They have some kind of price structure for every neighborhood, and you're on your way to making well over $100 a day, depending on, of course, where you are. That's it, folks. I hope you have found value in today's video on 5 $100 a day side hustle ideas to make money online. You will always find my #1 recommendation to make money online at the top of the description below. Just a final reminder to you to subscribe, and be sure to hit the bell after subscribing so you would always get notification of every time I post a new video and every new idea and ways to make money online. Be debt free, increase and better your credit and access to money, improve your life. Don't forget to post your questions below. If there's a specific topic you want me to cover, be sure to post below. Also, if you have any other ideas on any other side hustles, please be sure to post them below. Very soon, I will be posting 50 ideas for side hustles. 50, okay? My goal, as I've said before on this channel, is to come up with over 1,000 different ways you could make money online. And we're going to get there together. So if you got any ideas, please post in the comment below. See you soon. Ciao, and have a great day.